where to get graphics for wall printing jobs. When you're first getting started, finding graphics can feel like a huge challenge, but I have good news for you. High-quality photos and attractive designs are available much more easily than you think right now. Today I'll give you a comprehensive list of the best sources and show you a quick guide on how to generate amazing images using artificial intelligence. All you need is a computer with internet access. You have virtually everything your clients might be looking for right at your fingertips. Hi, this is Rafael from Wall Printers. When we started our own printing services in 2022, we had no experience in computer graphics. However, we quickly understood the most important rule in this industry. Your main job as a printer operator is not to be an artist at all. You're supposed to be a skilled technician who simply knows where to quickly find what the client needs at any given moment. And this is exactly the knowledge you will gain by watching this episode. Let's dive in. The first and most popular place you will visit on a daily basis is online stock photo and graphic libraries. They allow you to find the perfect design for a client in just a few minutes, no matter if they are looking for modern abstraction or a beautiful landscape. All you have to do is type a simple phrase into the search engine, and the system itself will suggest hundreds of ready-made files matching your search. When it comes to stock libraries, you have two paths to choose from. The first one is publicly available photo databases, also free ones, such as Unsplash, Pixabay, or Pexels. You will find plenty of really good images there. However, keep in mind that these photos are not legally verified, nor do they have a license for commercial use. Besides, since they are free, many people use them, making originality harder to achieve. The second path is paid photo sources, which is the professional standard. For example, Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. Although you have to pay for them, they give you 100% certainty that everything is fully legal and secure. Additionally, the selection of rare, unique graphics is much larger there. From my experience, and I have already processed hundreds of different files, we most often end up on Adobe Stock. It's our favorite source because the quality rarely disappoints us, and the search engine works so efficiently that we don't waste time digging through the internet for hours. Of course, you don't have to stick to just this one place. I'm sure that after a few months of work, you will select your own favorite sites that will match your style and your client's tastes. The second great source is designs directly from the client. When you print for offices, hotels, or restaurants, they usually already have their own logos, ready-made brand books, or designs prepared by their creative teams. You get such a file, run a quick technical check on it, and simply do your job. You don't have to think about composition or colors then. The client gave you a concrete asset, and you focus solely on printing. The third path, which saves the day when standard databases fail, is graphics generated by artificial intelligence. If you can't find the client's dream design, AI will create an image tailored to the specific project. For creating such graphics from scratch, Leonardo.Ai is a great tool. You type a short text command, a so-called prompt, and the artificial intelligence paints the image based on your guidelines. To get the best effect, describe your idea as precisely as possible. Specify the style, subject, colors, mood, and proportions. Imagine you are looking for graphics for a children's room and you want a cute kitten in pink flowers. This is what such a prompt would look like. Cute vector art illustration, happy smiling kitten peeking out of a giant open peony flower, pastel pink and bubblegum pink color palette, nursery wall art, playful style, clean lines, simple design, blooming floral pattern around, sparkling accents, vibrant but soft colors, hand-drawn. And guess what? Such a beautiful pastel illustration is created in less than a minute. However, with AI graphics, you have to remember one thing. Their resolution is sometimes too low for a huge wall. Fortunately, you can solve this problem in no time using Gigapixel AI. The tool itself will upscale the image resolution, requiring no graphic skills whatsoever. We at Wall Printers do exactly that and recommend it to you too. How to use Gigapixel step by step was already discussed in our previous episode of this series. In the daily work of a wall printer, you will encounter various non-standard situations. Sometimes a client will come with a personal keepsake, and other times you will want to spend less time prepping files and, for example, develop your company's marketing during that time. It is worth keeping 3 additional possibilities in mind then. You can take a photo straight from the client's phone. People often want to have a vacation keepsake, a portrait of a child, or a beloved pet on their wall. Today's smartphones take such good photos that you can easily transfer them directly onto the wall and complete orders based on personal photos. You can also find instructions with a detailed explanation of how to print a photo directly from a phone on our channel. Another option is artist portals such as Etsy. You can buy ready-made graphic packages from illustrators all over the world there. Often, these are entire cohesive sets, for example, 10 graphics in a single boho style. Thanks to this, you offer the client a beautiful decoration for several walls at once. You buy a ready-made design and get to work right away. The third solution, a strategic one, is partnering with a graphic designer. I recommend this to anyone who wants to focus on sales and building relationships in their company rather than on file editing. A professional graphic designer will prepare your project from scratch, crop it, or correct the colors. Meanwhile, you close more deals and plan your business growth, confident that the technical side of the project is in good hands. After all, your main goal is sales, and as an operator, you just need to run the machine efficiently. Let's do a quick recap of today's key takeaways. You can use free databases like Unsplash, paid ones like Adobe Stock, buy cohesive packages on Etsy, or take ready-made designs straight from the companies you print for. Thanks to the Leonardo.Ai tool and precise descriptions in English, you're able to create any graphic at the client's request in a matter of seconds. If the AI graphic or the photo from the client has too low a resolution, you save the day with the Gigapixel AI program, which will upscale your file losslessly. Private photos from modern phones are easily suitable for large format printing. Running a business that offers wall printing does not require artistic talent. You can delegate technical tasks and you will learn all the basics, from checking files to operating the machine, in our technical training. As you can see, getting great graphics is one of the easiest parts of this business. You have stock libraries, artificial intelligence, and client designs right at hand. In our training, we make sure you master each of these steps in practice. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments. We are here to help you. And if you feel that this is the business for you, visit our website through the link in the description, fill out the contact form, and let's chat about how to get you started. Thanks for today, and see you in the next episode.